Akhil Srivastava teaching you Physics of Class 10th NCERT, Magnetic Effect of Electric Current, Chapter 13. Chapter 13. So, previous lecture I have explained about the solenoid. Now we will see the solenoid field is depend on current and the number of turns that I have shown you in this. Here we will see the electromagnet. The solenoid form electromagnet. Electromagnet and the permanent magnet. There is two type of magnet. When a steel rod or a soft iron keep inside the solenoid and magnetize by passing a current in the solenoid, then it is called the electromagnet. Electromagnet is formed by the electricity for some times. So it is a temporary magnet. It is when the current is off, then it will not magnetize. It is a temporary magnet. A strong magnet depends on the current, or it is also depend on the number of turns of the solenoid. So generally there is a two type of electromagnets. One is bar magnets, that is the bar shape. This is bar magnet, and it is wrapped by this coil, which I have shown you like this. It is when you will put here like this rod, you can get. Another is also here, you will get U shape. U shape is also wrapped like this. There is a U shape magnet. Here one side it is wrapped like this, and you are seeing other side also like this. So both the side it is wrapped and joined by one wire from here. Then it is also electromagnet, U shape. Here anti-clock like this you are seeing. So what is it? Is north pole and clockwise south pole. Same thing here. It is a clockwise south pole. Here you are getting anti-clock. Then it is a north pole. Two electromagnets you are getting. Strength of the electromagnet depend on the current. More current, more strength. And also it is depend on the number of turns. This is the number of turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called. Electromagnet is used in the electrical device like a bell, electric bell, call bell, fans, motors, microphones, and the generators, etc. It is also used to lifting the transporting the large grids, girders by electromagnet, by the crane. And from the garbage there is a magnetic iron pieces. So crane gives the one big rectangular shape electromagnet, and all the electromagnetic things attracted by this. From the any piece, from a piece of iron from bell, when a piece of iron from the bell you can remove. Well, means there is a water in the inside of the water, anything is there, and big trains, bogies, and other all like this, anything is fallen down there, then you can remove by the electromagnet, because it has a property to attract the magnetic object. Permanent magnet. What is the permanent magnet? Permanent magnet is a magnet is made from a steel, but it is made from the steel has more retentivity than the soft iron, and it is formed by the process of magnetic or magnetite, and it is kept for a long time, and then it will magnetize. Permanent magnet, it is hard. This magnet, like I have shown you, red color magnet, it is used in the loudspeakers, microphones, and the meter and voltmeters in the electricity appliances. Permanent magnets are used. Speakers, it is not that current is there, then only solenoid not used. It is directly permanent magnet, means it has no relation that the electricity will come, then only magnetize. It already magnetized. Difference between the electromagnet and permanent magnet. Electromagnet is a temporary, it is a permanent. But electromagnet's polarity, you can produce a strong field. Because of more turns, more current you give, you can get a very, it can be changed also. can produce a strong magnet, and it can be changed according to your requirement, but it is a big magnetic field. It has, what is the magnetized capacity? After this you can't increase or decrease. It can't be changed, not increase and not, it is a permanent. Temporary magnet can reverse the polarity. I told you, you can change the plus minus sign only, current direction will be changed, polarity will be changed, reverse. But it is a fixed polarity, north means north, now can't be changed, reverse. It is made of soft iron, but it is made of a steel or alloy which is hard, not soft. Now, we will study a very important topic in this, force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. You have seen that magnet is also producing the force, and current carrying conductor also a temporary magnet. It means if both are in the same place, so something will be happen there. They will be attracted or they will be repelled. It is a very important thing. They will be attracted or they will, by a experiment. Or a state experiment, we know that current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field which exerts the force on a magnetic compass needle placed near the conductor. It means both are the magnet, that's why. So Andre Marie Ampere in 1775 to 1836, he has, Andre Marie Ampere has suggested that if the magnet is present there and magnetic field is produced by the electromagnet, it means both are exerting force to each other. The force due to a magnetic field acting on current carrying conductor can be demonstrated through the activity that is given here. So he has put the one U-shaped magnet, horseshoe or U, horseshoe because in the horse legs there is a one metal is already put on this U shape. By this they can move easily on the road, pakka and road, not kache road, this is the mud, but on the road they can easily move without any injuries. So that's why there is a horseshoe. It is called U-shaped magnet. There is a U-shaped magnet, have experiment. So magnetic needles also exert the opposite force, equal. Newton's third law, you know. In the Newton's third law it is given that the any equal force has always equal and opposite reaction. Action has always equal and opposite reaction. So it means if the magnet is applying the force, then electromagnet is also applying the force. So there is a one metal AB and there is a metallic wires by which you have connected it, conducting wires. It is a stand and there is a wire connecting one end of the this, and it is in this, like this. You are seeing it is a U-shaped magnet. You are seeing it is a U-shaped magnet. When you will take this like this, then what will you get? U-shaped magnet is this. In this U-shaped magnet you are getting, there is a one thing is hanging like this. U-shaped magnet. It is a U-shaped magnet and it is a hanging one conductor is here. One is north pole and one is south pole. Suppose it is a north pole, where there is a one cap I have put. It is a north pole and it is a south pole. There is a wire like this. It is AB. AB is this. And when electricity is passing through this AB, then just when it key is on, it will be go this side or this side. Depend on the current. That direction, how will you know that? I will tell you. There is a force acting by this north. Magnetic field is from this side to this side, you know. Magnetic field from north to south. It is a north pole. North and south I have written here. So from north pole magnetic field is like this perpendicularly, and perpendicular I am putting this pen like a AB. And this pen will be exactly perpendicular. It will go this side or it will go this side. There will be some deflection you will get, because it is also acts as the electromagnet. This is also act as the electromagnet, this. So there is some force acting, this electromagnet and this magnet. Magnetic field is in this direction. You are seeing why? Because north to south magnetic field lines. So direction of the magnetic field is from north to south, and it is also creating a magnetic field. Electromagnet both has applied, it will go inside or it will go outside. When a current carrying conductor will be placed here in the magnetic field, then the conductor moves in the direction, but in a direction, but direction is also changed with the repeat the direction of the just respect to the direction of the current. When the current direction is R magnetic field, suppose I have told you, you are putting this like this. Here I have told that you are taking this as if up, means north pole is now up. When north pole is up, then the direction of the magnetic field will be this direction of the motion is change. Or as it is you keep north south, and here you change the battery minus this side plus this side, then the again direction of the current will be changed, means polarity of AB will be changed, again their motion will be changed. So it is changed, any one will be changed, current direction or magnetic field direction. Anything you change, your motion will be changed. Which direction? The motion of this electromagnet. This will move like this side or this side, this side, or there will be a movement in AB. Which direction it will move? That direction will be reversed by reversing the magnetic field direction or direction of the current flowing in the electromagnet. It is a very important thing. It means a force is exerted on a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field. Direction of the force is also reversed if the direction of the current change or the direction of the magnetic field change. It is 2 points very important in this. So magnitude of this force is depend on what? First of all, you are seeing when the more current, more magnetic field. First thing. Second, depend on the this. What this force is depend. F is depend on the current. Current reverse it will be. F is depend on the magnetic field. Magnetic field is there, then also it will be. And it is the length of the conductor, which that is this length. It is small, very small, or very. What is the length of the conductor which is changing into electromagnet? Means it is directly proportional to all these three things. So combine these, you will get F is proportional to IBL. Current, magnetic field, length. Equality constant K is here. So you will get the by this magnetic field formula Oersted that you have seen the magnetic field unit, but here by the transposing B is equal to F upon I, force upon current into length, Newton upon ampere meter. Newton per ampere meter is also known as Tesla. So its SI unit is also Tesla. Oersted is the name of horror, but magnetic field SI unit is Tesla. How will you know the direction of the magnetic field? Direction of the motion. How will you know the direction of the motion? When any conductor kept into the magnetic field, freely suspended between the two poles of a magnet, then which direction it will move, and they all are perpendicular. Direction of this current is here, motion as well as magnetic field. All the three will be perpendicular to each other. Motion, magnetic field, and the current. This is all motion in which direction force is applied, means force, direction of the force. This is called the direction of the force. Force is this direction, means this motion. Force is this direction, means this motion. Which direction the force is there? It is telling motion, means telling the direction of the force. Magnetic field B, north to south, current. So this we will study by a special, like a, what is the direction of magnetic field line, you are knowing by right hand thumb rule. And here you will get left hand, flaming left hand rule, we will find out the direction of motion of the object. That we will study in the next lecture. Thanks.